Yon! Kamusta ang mga buhay-buhay? Bibisitahin namin yung aming kapitbahay. Who's our neighbor?
Joey.
Not Joey. Bibisitahin namin yung aming kapitbahay, si Harry Potter. Ito, Harry Potter Studios dito sa Watford. It is, yeah.
Hey,
Ang world famous Harry Potter Studios. Yun. Kita nyo naman, no?
Look, you gotta check in.
Yeah, of course. You have to check everything. O, di ba? Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. Pero sa totoo lang, dito yan sa Watford. Dito sa amin. Ayan siya. Yung kanyang harap. Alright. Ito na yung aming ticket. So, papila kami sa Oblo. Hey, bossman, you right? I just scanned this there, yeah?
Yes, please.
Yun, sabre, be, hello. Nakalagpas na kami sa security. Finally, nakapasok din dito. After 3 years. Batiin ko na agad yung parin Joey ko. Parin Joey, alam mo ha. Alright. Ito kagad yung bubungad sa'yo pagpasok mo. Laking dragon, no? Pre! Pucha, yung kaibigan natin dito, parin dyan, tsaka yung pamilya niya, yung parin dyan ko, pre! Pucha, nagkasabay pa tayo. Akala ko, dragon ni Khaleesi.
Dragon pa lang, oo nga eh. Dragon pa lang, okay na eh.
Kaya nga eh.
Dragon pa lang, panalo na eh.
Natapat yung si paring dyan, tsaka yung pamilya niya. Nandito daw si paring Joey. Simula na ata, start na kaming pumila sa studio tour. Ito yung kwarto ni Harry sa ilalim ng hagdan. Gryffindor.
Welcome to Warner Brothers Studios Tour London, the making of Harry Potter. In a few moments, these doors behind me will open and your tour will begin. Could I please let you all know, though, that there is no...
Speaking of special days, do you have anyone celebrating a birthday?
Astig dito. Ang ganda.
Come forward. Come all the way to the front. Do you have any... Stuart Craig, whose extraordinary vision really did shape the
Great Hall.
and spirit of Hogwarts itself. Now later on your tour, you will get a chance to walk through the art department, which is an absolute treasure trove of every sketch, blueprint and model, which brought Hogwarts to life to what we all know and love in the films. Now, as you came in 5 years ago,
Ito, nakakatuwa ito lalo kung fan ka. Grabe, kakasimula pa lang. Amazed na kami.
Who, of course, was later joined by Eduardo Lima from the writing team. Now, the emblems above your heads today are technically known.
Is the scene shot in here?
Was the scene shot in here? Yeah, this is the original Great Hall, sir. This is where the magic happened.
Oh my.
You are standing.
It's coming from the God of Works. It's real.
From me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That's amazing, by the way. Thank you. Ito pala talaga sinuting yun. Mga wig ng mga gumanap. Fred Weasley, wig ni Harry Potter. Malfoy, Mrs. Weasley, Dumbledore. Ayos oh. Yung wig ni Hagrid. Oh, look at the cauldron. What is that? Fountain? Look, cauldron. Ito yung dormitory ng Gryffindor. Astig oh.
You're sneaking out again, aren't you? I'll never listen.
Everything's extremely
Maybe we just let the kids get the stamps.
those three little towers so far.
Ganda ng props, oh. Parang opisina ata ni Dumbledore. Ito. Dito na kami sa green screen na part nung tour. Medyo overwhelming kasi ang dami mo makikita dito. Lahat ng sulok may magandang puntahan. Pictures, record. Bawat sulok ang gaganda eh. Kaya pala sikat na sikat tong Harry Potter Studios na to. Bahay ni Jimmy Santos, ni Hagrid.
Our room as well. Now let's think back to the first film, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. In this very iconic scene right here, Harry, of course, the new seeker for Gryffindor, gets shown the ropes of Quidditch right here by Oliver Wood, played by Sean Biggerstaff as well. Of course, he goes through...
Ito yung souvenir area nung green screen. Pakita ko lang yung paring Joey ko. Paring Joey ko. Paring Joey, number 1.
Toy Story in the house of the Harry Potter.
Paring Joey ko, ayos no? Harry Potter yan, no? Warner Brothers, baka kala nyo. Bigatin yan, no? Grabe. Ayos, ganda dito.
And then your digital copy is on this QR code here.
Yun, okay na yung souvenir natin, be. Magkano yung nabot?
60 something.
Yun! 60 quid para sa souvenir, pero okay lang. Hindi ka naman araw-araw pupunta dito di ba?
Baka 14 years tayo po nag-stop.
Next! Come on, let's go ate. Moving on na kami kasi sabi ni parin Joey wala pa kami sa kalahati. Yung door sa Chamber of Secrets. Ang ganda naman dito. Yun! May pa-smoke effects na dito. Ang galing na ito.
Kuha sa...
Oh shit! Oh, pinaka-ano ko. Oh! Ang pinaka-kinakatakutan ko sa buhay ko. Ayan, gagamba. Hindi naman ata sila gumagalaw. Parang hindi naman gumagalaw, ganyan lang, no? Taas baba. Alin? Oo. Ganyan lang naman. Putang ina to, nanggugulat pa to Hindi naman ata gumagalaw, puro ganun lang, no? Oh, fucking A! Fucking A! Oh, shit! Holy shit! Oh shit, look at that! Hell no! Yun! 9 3/4. Ito na rin yung tren papunta sa Hogwarts. Ayan na yung tren papuntang Hogwarts. Yun! Alright!
Harry Potter.
Ayan yung kanilang food menu dito sa Backlot Cafe. Order tayo ng food trip. Kain muna kami. Kain kami konti bago magtuloy sa tour. Oh, it's that side. Thank you. Mali pala yung pila ko. Mali pala yung pinilahan ko. Bobo. Ang ganda nung labas. Mamaya makikita nyo naman eh. Si Mrs. na daw tsaka si Sabri yung order. Hanap na ako ng upuan namin. Come on, let's go. So, nakakuha na tayo ng condiments. Kaya nakapaghintay, nagutom na. Nagutom na sila.
What is inside?
Ganda na ito. Refillable na tubig. Remembrance. Tapos ito yung akin. Yun. Pulled pork na chips.
Saan ka? Uro ka sa today.
Tikman natin yung pulled pork. Pulled pork chips.
Nakakantay na si Dani yung mini-message na ako.
Walang yak kasi.
Ano daw, dumampas pa rin Joey. O, pre! Ano, dumampas pa rin Joey. Yun.
Ano,
natin.
wala siyang pasok ngayon sa pa sa Saturday, sa Friday pa.
Quality.
Buklalin yung mata ko.
Ano, kinuha ni pa rin Joey. Grabe naman yung pre. Butterbeer. Yun.
Hala po ka. Thank you.
Kaya pa rin Joey ko.
Wala ba bang view?
Solid, eh, no?
Hindi lahat pinapalis.
Ay, saya. Grabe. Ang saya. Pre. Kabis ka, pa rin Joey.
Enjoy guys.
Yes, pa rin Joey talaga.
Thank you ba?
Tikman natin tong butterbeer ni parin Joey, eh, no? Wala naman daw alcohol to, kaya okay lang. Butterbeer lang. Walang alcohol, kaya pwede nating inumin dahil magmamaneho tayo.
Oh, there's no alcohol. I like the color.
Parang tunaw na vanilla.
Butter nga.
Parang tunaw lang siya na vanilla pala.
Bigyan ko si Mare. I like it.
Try it. Ayan, dumating na yung pagkain ni Sabre, tsaka ni Mrs.
Sa'yo na tayo. Bigay na pareho. Same. Sige. Pero nakalibre tayong pagkain kaya okay na.
Tikman natin yung chicken wings nila. Ayan, barbecue wings. Init. Sarap siya. Sarap. Init. Yung mga lagayan ng butterbeer dito, ayan, no? Tankard wash. Pwede mo nang hugasan dito kasi amin na to. Souvenir. Ayos, di ba? Hugasan lang natin para malinis. Yun. Meron na naman tayong added souvenir dito sa Harry Potter Studios. Ayan. Uuwi natin to. Alright. Yun. Time check. Alas 8 na ng gabi dito sa UK. Pero syempre dahil it's almost summer, eh maliwanag pa. Silipin natin mamaya yung bahay ng pamilya ni Harry Potter. Yan sa Privet Drive. Ayun, no? Ayan na yung bahay ni Harry and family. Privet Drive. Oh, it's Harry's home. Oh, the letters. Oh, it's so cool.
Harry, 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 open the door.
Dobby!
Harry Potter. Such an honor it is.
Hello, Dobby!
Oh look, that's Toy's little bear.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the plants! This is it! Whoa! Vanna, pull it. Yeah, pull it. Ah. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Ah. Oh look, there's other smoothie. Mama, it's alphabetical order. Oh, I know that one.
Creature effects.
Yes. Oh, it's coming
Whoa!
Oh, I love the spider.
Oh shit, the spider, look at that, that's massive. Oh, it's Hermione, yeah. She's dead, I think.
She's not.
Dumbledore.
Pathetic.
Parang ang creepy naman nito.
Dumbledore.
It's Harry.
This one's Harry.
Ito, grabe yung gagamba, kadiri, oh. Yak! Ayun, oh. Ang laki pala nito. Pawala na yung juice ng mobile ko, hindi pa tapos. Mga goblins. Tas gumalaw, no?
Ayan o, the goblins.
Solid to, ganda, oh. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Ito yung Wizarding Bank. Grabe, ang ganda, oh. Wow! Hello, Mr. Goblin Teller. Whoa! Treasure.
Checkmate indeed. Well, I
Is
hope
it?
you enjoyed that demonstration. If you want to take part in your very own chess match, you can head over to our photo opportunity over here, where you can be just like Ron on the back of that Black Knight. And folks, you get a free digital download. That's right, a free digital download. So do head on over and enjoy the rest of your evening. My name's Sweet Maya.
Grabe, ang cool naman nito. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Stig dito ah. Be. Saan na ba? Saan na tayo susunod? Kulang nga ang 4 na oras dito sa Harry Potter Studios. Mauubos ang oras nyo picture. Napakaraming magandang pagpicturan. Sketches, yeah.
The artist, what?
Grabe oh, ang ganda no?
Hindi.
Miniature model ng Hogwarts. Ang ganda, grabe. Solid to. Ano pa, meron pa dito. Pero mas maganda to, syempre oh, solid oh. Ganda. Kuha na natin ng paikot dito. Ganda, grabe. Nakaka-mangha. Yeah, we could go there. Come on. It's pretty cool, isn't it? One shop.
Playback so sick.
I want to try.
Oh, sorry, man.
Your Cridiosis.
One of the verses.
The Guardian Leviosa.
John did Meliosa.
No, what's his name then? Draco. Yes, and Dumbledore. Then it was Harry Potter. Japanese Draco. And it's Dumbledore actual.
Oh, Harry's one. Subukan natin kung tumatalab talaga yung magic ng mga wand. Wingardium Pengimpera. Wingardium Pengimpera. Tingin ko tapos na kasi puro memorabilia na dito sa kung nasan kami ngayon. Oh, an owl. That's cool.
I want one. What's that?
Mukhang tapos na ang aming bisita dito sa
Everyone.
Harry Potter Studios. Mukhang okay na. Dito na kami sa ano eh, shops.
Si Amari ay sa
Gryffindor!
parang toga lang. 75.
Ano si ate? So yun, dito na nagtatapos yung tour namin dito sa Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studios. Balik na kami dito sa Dragon. Grabe. Sulit na sulit. Kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, napakaganda. Lalo na siguro kung fan ka ng Harry Potter, kagaya ng misis ko, si Nurse Vanessa. Ako kasi, sa totoo lang, hanggang ano lang ako eh, Prisoner of Azkaban. Tapos pagkatapos nun, di ko na pinanood. Anyways, napakaganda. Maraming salamat sa paring Joey ko. Pare, alam mo na yun. Alright. Did you enjoy?
But I really want to sit.
Do you now? We're going home anyways. So, alright, I'll see you again next time. Cheers.